Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is a thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping me get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, I mentioned in my videos last month that I had my eye on a new box, and by the time I made some decisions, because last month it was a full skincare box that I really wasn't sure about the brand, and I knew I was getting one of the products within my BoxyCharm or Ipsy box that I wanted to test the product out first. By the time my box came and I went on their website, it was sold out. And that was something really interesting to me, that they wouldn't even allow me to sign up for the following month until October the 1st, and that is exactly what I did. The box that I'm talking about is this. It is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It's the AIA. This box blew me away. So I've been having my eyes on it, and supposedly it was a bi-monthly box, which means you were getting it every other month, but now it's gonna be a monthly. And the month that they're starting their monthly box with is COLOURPOP. And COLOURPOP, for me, when I moved to the United States, was one of the first websites that I went to, and I have drawers full of this. But now COLOURPOP always comes out with so many new products all the time that when I saw what was going to be in this box, everything was new to me, and I was like so excited. So like I said, on October the 1st, I signed up, and then literally I got notification a couple of days later. The tracking was there, and it was coming from California. I'm all the way in Florida, and it literally came in 2 days. This is crazy. I really wasn't expecting it today. It's already the evening here. For some reason, we're getting FedEx deliveries after dinner, but it is here. I'm going to film and I will upload it because I want to make sure that if you guys like this box, that you do like I do and you go on their website and you sign up for it, because by the middle of last month, the box that was for that month sold out. So this way I'm signed in, I'm on a month to month, and hopefully, you know, it will just keep coming at the beginning of the month and we'll be able to share it here. So really, really excited about it. So this is the card. I think I paid about $35. It includes free freight. On the back of the card, this is a really beautiful card, and everything was packaged so beautifully, each individually bubble wrapped. The box is stunning. Everything about this, for me, has been the most pleasant experience I have ever had receiving a brand new box. Like, because I didn't know what to expect. And like I said, there's so many products in here. I want to get started and go through everything. I'm going to try to do it in the order of the card. Not only do they have, you know, the description, what the price is, they have the picture of the product. Everything is like, I'm telling you, it's laminated. Everything about it is just blowing me away. So I will try to leave as much information as I can in the description box down below. But like I said, this is brand new to my channel. It is, I get, you know, when I choose to go with a box, I do my research, I wait until it's to the point that I really want it, because when I take on a box, it's usually going to be on my channel from here going forward. And like I said, this is now a month to month. Okay, so the first item that's in here, and there were a couple of eyeshadow palettes, there's like a little bit of everything. Okay, the first item that's on the card, and I'm simply going to go by the card because it will just make it easy for me, came in here. It's called the Color Vision Eyeshadow Palette. It is a bubble pop. Also, the other thing I wanted to mention, that you know everything that's going to be in the box prior to even. They don't do like, this is all, I knew when I went on the website that this is what was going to be coming. So that's why it was such an easy decision for me. So this one is called the Color Vision Eyeshadow Palette. It is the Bubble Pop Electric in this hot pink trending look. This is a 5-pan palette that includes cool neutrals in a range of matte and metallic finishes with an electric pop of matte neon magentas. What's also nice about ColourPop is not only are they very reasonably priced, the quality is 100% there, and they also run a lot of sales. So you don't have to, you know, if you fall in love with something, you don't have to worry. It is something that you can, it is very attainable. The only thing that I found with ColourPop is some of their shipping was a little bit slow, but the quality of the products and everything that they do is so top notch. All right, so I'm just gonna take some swatches here so you guys will be able to see. Here's the first 4 here. Yeah, ColourPop is really beautiful. And like I said, that pink is so bright. That's that. I'm just gonna do the last one, which is a dark shade. I have a little wet area here as well as a dry cloth so that we can do a lot of swatching. And then that is the dark brown right there. So this is really, really beautiful. So really nice to have that pop of color, but if that pop of color is not for you, everything else in this palette is the perfect neutral palette. So I think that is an absolute excitement to get in a box. The next item in here is a mascara, and I haven't had the opportunity to try their mascara yet. And this one is called Act Natural. It is a defining mascara and it is in brown, which is very unique for a box. So this one here says it is a $9 value, and they're saying it is a defining mascara that gives your natural lashes a boost. Think your lashes but better. With a smudge-proof, clump-free, and easy-to-remove formula, it is ultra-creamy, high-performance formula that's vegan and bunny approved. It is vegan and also always cruelty-free. So that's what this looks like here. Let's open it up and see what the wand looks like. Perfect. It's one of those brush wands, and when you use a brush wand, this is usually my second step when I do a lengthening mascara first, and then I always end it off with a brush wand to give me the volume. But if you're just looking for volume, that's what the brush wands do for me. The next one here is a moisturizer, and it is from their sister brand called Fourth Ray. This one is their moisturizer called the Daily. That says, here's your go-to adding mega moisture while perfecting prepping eyes on the daily. It's powered by plant-derived squalene. Plus, it's shea butter and lychee to replenish moisture to supple, healthy-looking skin around the delicate eye area. It wears flawlessly alone or under makeup. So this is, they're saying, a $16 value. It came in this container. It feels like a plasticky type of container, which means that majority of the ingredients inside is where the money really is being spent, and that is fantastic. And this is what it looks like here. There is no scent to this. I'll just take a little bit on my other hand to see the consistency is there. And like I said, there's no real scent to this. There's a little bit, it smells like just a fresh scent, like almost like a light orange scent. Can I be? Yeah, you'll have to tell me when, if you get this box or if you've used this cream or any of the items that I'm talking about. It smells a really fresh, light orange scent to me. All right, the next item that we have here is another eyeshadow palette. And this eyeshadow palette came in this container and is called the Neon Gaze. It's an eyeshadow palette that says she's shine bright in this trendy summer look. It is a fine 5-pan palette that includes a range of wearable neutrals in matte and sparkle finish with a high voltage pop of matte neon green. This is also one of those 5-pan palettes. This is what the outside looks like, and inside here, that's what it looks like here. And on the middle one here, it has like a lightning bolt. So they're very complementary, the two of them. I'll put them side by side because the other 4 colors that are the standards, which are these 4 here, yeah, you'll be able to see it here, are very, you can see the little bit of the differences between all 4, but they definitely really complement each other. And then the pop of color on this one is that, you know, lime green type of yellowy, there we go, perfect. Really, really pretty. Ah, very, very excited. Okay, and again, that is a $10 item. The next item that is in here is this one here. It is the brow pencil, and this one is a $7 value, and they're saying it is a buildable color in a mistake-proof pencil. It's all you need for the perfectly feathered brows. Came in this box. This is what the item looks like here. You open it up. We'll do it right down here. Do a little twist. I'll show you on top of the camera. I'll do it a little bit darker. Just so you know, when you get a color of a pencil and you think it might be too light or too dark, you can draw it with a lighter hand, and you'll see here it becomes lighter, and the harder you press, the darker the pigment will be. So that's what I do when we get pencils in the boxes. And you can also see how fine the tip is, which makes it really precise to get and be able to give those feathering strokes, which is always nice at the front, so it doesn't look like a fake brow. You're able to pencil in some little hairs that maybe you don't have anymore. And I always like a brow pencil that has a spoolie on the other end. All right, then the next item here is something that put ColourPop on the map with so many people. This is their Super Shock formula. It is their highlighter, and it is in the color called WISP, W-I-S-P. It is their famous Super Shock formula that has a bouncy texture that creates the ultimate glow. It's buildable, blendable, and so buttery soft. Wait till you see your golden champagne with these pearls. So I'm gonna open her up to show you. The only thing with these is you have to make sure that when you seal them very, very tight. And when you feel it, it feels like a cream. And when you place it on, you'll still feel like a cream, but somehow it sets on me like a powder. So they're always nice to be able to do this. You can always put this touch of color too, like in the center of your eye. Look how gorgeous that is. That color is stunning, and it's also really nice, especially, you know, if your shoulders are bare or anything like that. That little pop makes such a difference. So happy that a lot of people are going to get the opportunity to try their Super Shock formula. The next one here is a lip product. They really have us all covered, and it's in So Juicy, and this is what it looks like here. And what they wrote about this is they're saying this is the So Juicy Lip Gloss in Stunning, and it is $8, same price as the Super Shock. And it says this is a warm pink with soft pearlized sheen, so juicy, plumping, and gloss. And I think actually the color I have on is one of the Luxe lipsticks. I fell in love with that Luxe lipstick brand, and it is my go-to for a lot of my lip products. Oh, this is nice. This reminds me very much of the Lancome product, but far less expensive. And that is that Juicy over there. And theirs were called just Juicy, the ones from Lancome. So really, really excited about that. And it's right over there. So another item. Then what blew me away was, I think the entire price of the box is on the website with ColourPop. I just want to make sure I have all of the, you get a complete brush set. So, oh, sorry, it's even more. It's a $44 value. So let me just, and I never tried any of the ColourPop brushes, so I'm really, really, really excited about that. Okay, this one is called the, I'll leave it rolled up and then we'll unroll it. This one here is called the Kit Ultimate Brush Roll. Like I said, it's a $44 value, and they're saying this is your ultimate brush set. It is in the a faux leather brush roll collection, including 14 vegan, cruelty-free brushes that will help you create any look on your eyes and your face. It has the ColourPop name inside here. It feels like a leather, but it is vegan, and it's really well done. And inside here, there's like that felt, and then these are the gorgeous, gorgeous brushes inside. Is that not stunning? So we have everything from the in the corner, you know, brush to I mean 14 brushes. You'll have every single brush in here. So let's just take out the largest one and pull it back. It has the little safety shield here, and that is what this looks like here. Really, really beautiful. Oh, so stunning. And they have numbers on them, so which is great, because, you know, if you're someone who does tutorials, you'll be able to say exactly which number it is. So if other people are looking to, you know, use the product or find the product on the site and you don't want to buy the whole set, I'm sure they sell them individually, and you'll know that by the number. So that's everything that we received in this box. I am blown away. I'm so happy that I was able to get it. Like I said, I ordered it on October 1st, and I think it's October 6th, and we had a weekend, you know, in between. I think it is just fantastic. So if you're interested in this, I will try to leave the link down below for the website that I went on. Otherwise, it's really, really simple. They have, you know, extra discounts if you want to, you know, pay months in advance and all that. I'm on a month-to-month. That's how I like to do my subscriptions, unless there's a huge discount to sign up for, you know, a whole year ahead, like on FabFitFun and things like that. But I am so excited that I'm now going to be able to share this with you guys on my channel. What I love about this box and what made this box different for me to choose to get it as opposed to the other boxes that I get on my channel, which I love, they wouldn't be on my channel if I didn't, is that this is what a takeover box would be on any other box. And when I started purchasing from the television or, you know, from boxes, it was the QVCs and HSNs and the shopping channel in Canada, which introduced me to like IT Cosmetics or Tarte Cosmetics. And all of their specials were everything in one grouping, and it was good for 24 hours, and you had to, it was called the showstoppers and things like that. And that's how I got introduced to a lot of lines, and I got to try a different item from all the lines, and it usually was 5 or 6 products. This is unbelievable. I mean, we have from eyeshadows. Oh, there was another product here I didn't even tell you guys about. That's how many products are here. This one here is the Soul Body. This is a Glow Oil Mini Champagne. It says for a sun-kissed skin and a healthy glow, this SH*T is the next level, and this is a $10 value. So that is unbelievable. I didn't even see this. So like I said, there's so many products in this box that it just blew me away. So that is what this looks like here, and I've never had a product like this. This is definitely the one that you definitely put on your legs or your shoulders to give that beautiful shine. That is stunning. Really, really beautiful. All right, guys, that's everything. I'm overexcited. Like I said, this came late at night. I will try to get this up tonight. So like I don't want you guys to miss out if this is something of interest to you. So when it's something new for my channel, and they were so generous to ship it so quickly, and on a 2-day ship from California all the way to Florida, I think that is absolutely fantastic. That, you know, me being able to share it this quickly on the channel gives you the ability, if you're interested, to get it as well. All right? Take care, everybody. Stay well. Share with me in the comments down below if you have been enjoying this box. What was one of your favorite boxes? Because I do have some past boxes that I saw on the website. But like I said, last month's, which was the Herbivore, that one sold out come mid-month. So that's why I want to get this up to you as quickly as possible. Everybody, stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.